Welcome to the heart of Auburn. This well-maintained 4-bedroom, 1.5-bath home is bursting with charm. This home has seen many updates throughout the years, providing peace of mind for years to come. And storage won't be an issue here, with the attic access in the 3rd bedroom and a full basement that includes an extra large living area and a separate storage room. Step inside to discover the beautiful hardwood flooring and arched doorways that add a touch of elegance. One unique feature of this home is the convenient laundry chute that spans all 3 levels, making laundry day a breeze. Imagine relaxing or entertaining in your own fenced-in backyard, complete with a lighted pergola. It's perfect for those cozy evenings or gatherings with friends and family. And when you're ready to explore, a short walk takes you to downtown Auburn, where you can enjoy local shopping, restaurants, and entertainment. Don't miss out on this charming, updated home in Auburn. Call Candace Everidge today to make this house your next home.